Welcome to Fastlane Fortune, your go-to source for in-depth insights into the world of premium automobiles. Today, we're diving into the refined sophistication, performance, and innovation that define the Mercedes-Benz GLC, a luxury SUV that blends everyday practicality with unmistakable Mercedes charm. The Mercedes-Benz GLC continues to evolve as one of the most well-balanced SUVs in its class, offering a driving experience that's both confident and comfortable. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GLC commands attention with its sleek contours, bold grille design, and signature LED lighting that reinforces its modern presence. The exterior styling strikes a perfect balance between athletic aggression and upscale elegance, making it equally suited for the city or the countryside. Step inside, and the luxury becomes undeniable. The interior of the GLC showcases Mercedes-Benz's commitment to craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials like soft-touch leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminium create a sophisticated yet inviting space. The layout is intuitive, with a large touchscreen infotainment system powered by the MBUX interface, complete with voice control, augmented reality navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Ambient lighting, customizable in 64 colors, enhances the cabin's mood and adds a modern flair to every journey. Under the hood, the GLC doesn't just look the part, it performs. The base models come equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. For those seeking more excitement, the AMG variants offer turbocharged V6 or inline-6 engines with hybrid assistance, transforming the GLC into a performance powerhouse with sharp handling and a satisfying exhaust note. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip across various driving conditions, while the available air suspension delivers a plush, adaptive ride. Safety, as always with Mercedes-Benz, is paramount. The GLC is packed with advanced driver assistance systems like active lane keeping, blind spot assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to not only protect passengers but to reduce stress on the road and elevate the overall driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or heading out for a weekend escape, the Mercedes-Benz GLC offers versatility without compromising on luxury. It's a vehicle that feels at home in any setting, delivering performance when you need it and comfort when you crave it. For drivers who want substance wrapped in style, the GLC remains a top-tier choice in the luxury SUV market. Thanks for tuning in to Fastlane Fortune. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Mercedes-Benz GLC, make sure to subscribe for more premium car insights, reviews, and features.